Hello class, today we're going to be going over our formative assessment from our material that we talked about yesterday. I provided you with a video of just a review of the material that we covered earlier this week. But today we're going to talk about the questions that we just answered. So our first question, if you cut a pizza in half and share one half with a friend, the fraction of the pizza will you have left is 1/2. So let's look at our responses. It looks like most of us got this correct. Abigail, I'd like you to go back and look at that question and see that if you are sharing half of a pizza with your friend, then you will keep just one of the two halves of the pizza. So let's go take a look at our worksheet that we answered questions on. So our first question shows a picture of a circle with one of the four shaded in. So if we go and look at our options, we have 1/2, 3/4, 1/4, and 3/4. Let's go look at our responses. So it looks like most of us got this correct. Our answer should have been 1/4. So good job on that. Our next question is it shows a circle where 1/2 is shaded in. So let's see how we did on that one. Very good. Almost all of us got that one correct too. All right, let's go to our third question. It looks like almost all of us got that question right again too. So let's go take a look at that one and see what we could have done differently. So this one is 2 out of the 3 spots are shaded. So that would give us 2/3. All right, so now let's look at question 4. Let's see how we did on that one first. It looks like almost all of us got that one correct also. So it should have been the 3/4, so that answer would be B. Now let's look at question 5, which everyone got that question right. So I don't think we even need to go over that one. Very good, guys, on those multiple choice questions. Our last question, I had you draw a picture that represents 3/4. So let's take a look at what we drew. It looks like we have several different shapes. So for our circles, very good. We made 4 separate sections and shaded in 3 spots. So when we look at that, this one should get 100%. Good job, Abigail. Adam, this one should get 100% also because we have 3 out of the 4 spots shaded in. And Angela, this one will also get 1 point. Good job, guys. You did great on this formative assessment. Keep reviewing those fractions, and we will talk more about them next week. Thank you.